Hello, my little travelers. Welcome back to Tiny Talk Time, the podcast where learning English is always an adventure. I'm Miss Lily, and today, Leo and I are taking a little trip together. Right, Leo?
Yes, Miss Lily, we're going to travel. Where are we going?
Well, Leo, imagine we're in a new city with tall buildings, colorful streets, and lots of people. But, oh no, we don't know where we are.
Uh-oh, are we lost?
Just a little, but that's okay, because today we're going to learn how to ask for directions in English.
Yay! So if I get lost, I can ask someone how to go somewhere.
Exactly, Leo! Let's start with a simple and polite way to ask for help. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Perfect! That's how you start when you want to talk to someone kindly. And now you can ask where something is. For example, where is the train station?
Where is the train station?
Wonderful! Train station is the place where we catch a train.
So if I want ice cream, can I say, where is the ice cream shop?
That's perfect, Leo. Where is the ice cream shop?
Yay! I'm good at this!
You sure are. Now let's practice a little conversation. I'll be the traveler, and you'll be the person giving directions. Ready?
Ready.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the park?
Go straight and then turn left.
Excellent! That's a good answer. Let's teach everyone some of those direction words. Repeat after me. Go straight, turn left, turn right.
Go straight, turn left, turn right.
Beautiful! Now let's add one more. It's on the corner.
It's on the corner.
Yes! That means the place is at the end of the street where two roads meet.
Miss Lily, can I say it's next to the school?
Wow! Yes, Leo! That's another great phrase. It's next to the school means the place is beside the school. You're really learning fast.
I'm trying.
Let's play a little travel game. I'll describe a place and you guess where it is.
Okay.
You can buy books there. It's quiet. People read. What is it?
The library?
Correct! The library.
Yay!
Let's try another one. You can eat pizza there.
Oh, easy. The restaurant.
That's right. And one more. You can see animals there. Lions, monkeys, elephants.
The zoo!
Perfect. Now let's put those into full sentences. Where is the library? Where is the restaurant? Where is the zoo?
Where is the library? Where is the restaurant? Where is the zoo?
Excellent. Now imagine we're in the city and we meet someone. Let's act it out.
Okay.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the zoo.
Go straight and turn right. It's next to the park.
Great directions. Let's add a little thank you at the end. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
That's polite and kind. Always remember, when someone helps you, say thank you very much.
Miss Lily, what if I don't understand what they say?
Good question. You can say, can you say that again, please?
Can you say that again, please?
Exactly. That's very polite. Or if someone speaks too fast, you can say, can you speak slowly, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Perfect. You'll sound just like a kind traveler.
I like being polite.
Me too. Now, let's teach our friends how to understand some answers. If someone says, go straight and turn left, what do you do?
I go straight and then turn left?
Correct. If they say it's next to the bank, where is it?
It's near the bank.
Excellent! You're becoming an expert traveler. Let's do a quick review.
Okay.
Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Where is the train station? Go straight, turn left, turn right. It's next to the park. It's on the corner. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, can you help me, please? Where is the train station? Go straight, turn left, turn right. It's next to the park. It's on the corner. Thank you very much.
Fantastic, Leo.
Yay! I can travel in English now.
You sure can. Let's make a fun travel rhyme to help remember these words. Ready?
Yes.
And singing, go straight, turn right, don't be shy. Ask politely, give it a try. If you're lost, just smile and say, excuse me, can you help today?
That's so fun! I'll sing it next time I'm lost.
I hope you won't get lost, but singing always helps.
Miss Lily, what's your favorite place when you travel?
I love visiting parks and cafes. They're full of kind people and beautiful words to learn. What about you, Leo?
I like airports. You can see airplanes and people from all around the world.
That's wonderful, Leo. Maybe one day you'll travel to another country and use all these English phrases.
I will, and I'll say, excuse me, can you help me, please?
Perfect! And remember, everyone, learning English is just like traveling. Every new word is a new destination.
Wow, that sounds magical.
It is, Leo. And for our listeners, here's a little challenge. Look around your town or your home and practice asking, where is in English?
Like this, where is the kitchen? Where is my book? Where is my teddy bear?
Exactly! You can practice anywhere. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
Miss Lily, can we do a travel role play next time? Like buying tickets or asking for food?
Oh, that's a brilliant idea. We'll do that in another episode. English for travel. Buying tickets.
Yay! I can't wait!
Me neither, Leo. Before we go, let's say goodbye like polite travelers.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for joining us on Tiny Talk Time. Remember, little travelers, speak kindly, smile often, and never stop exploring English.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, my little travelers. Keep learning, keep shining.